welcome to Money Techs Guru. This video, especially I want to dedicate this to youngsters who started their career in the knit garment industry recently, or the youngsters who wants to start their career in the knit garment industry. Why I want to dedicate this video especially to them is normally the seniors might have come across with the question from the youngsters that how we will identify the correct count for a particular fabric quality. Many people's answers might be, with the experience you will start learning the identifying the correct count for any particular fabric quality, or we might have shared a particular some charts to them for count identification, but they cannot carry those charts wherever they go, and to identify the correct count with the experience, that will take a little longer time. So I felt I want to give a solution to the youngsters. Okay, so I have made this video with the small tricks that can make the technical peoples, even the non-technical peoples, especially in a marketing team we can see some non-technical peoples where their core area, where the engineering what they have done in their core, it will be something else, but they will be working for the textile industry. Even for them it's a very tough job to identify the correct count for a particular fabric quality. So I want to give them a solution that for both youngsters with the textile technical background and for the youngsters with the non-technical background, to give a solution to identify the yarn count for the particular fabric quality with the small tricks. Come on buddies, let's start today's video. Yarn count identification trick for a single jersey fabric. For any tricks there will be some conditions, rules and conditions will be there. Even for these tricks there is some conditions. Let's see, before seeing the tricks, let's see the conditions, so that it will be easy for everyone to apply the tricks and to get a correct result. Condition number 1. This is applicable for 100% cotton and intimated blended yarns. The single jersey fabrics which is made with the single yarn, not a mechanical blended yarn. Even the same content with the two different counts, this trick cannot be applied. So it is applicable only for the 100% cotton single yarn fabrics, and even intimate blends it is applicable. Number 2, only for the finished GSM, not for the afterwards GSM. And this trick application ranges based on the GSM, and this GSM range will be between 120 to 320. Any GSMs that ranges between 120 to 320, this trick can be applied, and it has a accuracy of 95% to 100%. So with no doubt we can apply this trick for the GSM range between 120 to 320 GSM. The last and final condition, that is the trick varies for GSM range. In general, for any knit jersey fabrics will have a GSM range based on from 120 to 320. We name it as lightweight, medium weight, heavyweight and extra heavyweight or ultra heavyweight fabrics. In the same way, even this trick varies based on the lightweight, medium weight, heavyweight and ultra heavyweight. But this trick is going to apply between the range. How this range is defined is lightweight to medium weight is 120 to 190 GSM. For 120 to 190 GSM, we can identify the count with the trick NE, the yarn count, English count is equal to 4500 divided by GSM. I'll explain each and every trick with an example in the later stage. Let's see the tricks first. And the second trick is medium to heavy, 200 GSM to 260 GSM. This GSM range we call it as a medium to heavy GSM. For that, NE, English count is equal to 4000 divided by the required GSM. The third trick is 280 to 300 ultra heavyweight fabrics. For that, the trick is NE, the English count is equal to 3000 divided by GSM. Before just explaining the trick will not help everyone. So let us apply this trick with an example so that everyone can be clear that this is applicable for the GSM range between 120 to 320. First, let's take the lightweight to medium weight range. The first example, I need to identify the correct count to achieve a 120 GSM finished. The trick is 4500 divided by 120. The result is 37.5. If we take it as a round off, 38. 38 is the ideal and the suitable count to achieve 120 GSM finished fabric with the normal regular loop length with the normal tightness factor. The second example, 130 GSM. 130 GSM, N is equal to 4500 divided by 130. The resultant is 34.6. The 34th count is the ideal count to achieve 130 GSM finished fabric. The third example is 140 GSM. My target GSM is 140. So that the count which we use to achieve this 140 GSM finished is 4500 divided by 140 will get 32.1. 32 is the ideal count to achieve 140 GSM finished fabric. Fourth example, 150 GSM. 4500 divided by 150, that is count. That is count is the ideal count to achieve 150 GSM finished. Similarly, 160 GSM, 4500 divided by 160, 28.1. The ideal count is 28. In the same way, 170 GSM, 4500 divided by 170 will get 26.47. 26 is the ideal count to achieve 170 GSM finished. The seventh is 180 GSM. Similarly, we'll divide 180 GSM with by 4500 will get 25 count. 25 count is the ideal count to achieve 180 GSM finished. 190 GSM. For the first trick range, light to medium weight, the last GSM is 190. 4500 divided by 190 will get 23.6. Either 23 or 24 count is the ideal count to achieve 190 GSM finished. So the first GSM range, lightweight to medium weight, is finished now. Let's apply the second trick between medium weight to heavy weight. The first GSM range is considered under medium weight to heavy is 200 GSM. The trick which we have explained earlier is 4000 divided by the GSM, target GSM will get 20s. 20s is the ideal count to achieve 200 GSM finished. Next GSM I have taken is 220. 4000 divided by 220 is 18.1. 18th count is the ideal count to achieve 220 GSM finished. The next GSM range, 240 GSM. 4000 divided by 240 will get 16.6. 16th count is the ideal count to achieve 240 GSM finished. Next is 260 GSM. Similarly, we need to divide 260 with 4000 will get 15.3. That 15th count or 30s 2-ply parallel or 30s 2-ply twisted yarn is the ideal count to achieve 260 GSM. So the second trick range, medium to heavyweight, is completed now. Now we are going to see the extra heavyweight or ultra heavyweight fabrics that GSM ranges from 280 to 320, which is this is the commercially followed GSM range, 280 to 320. For that, we are going to apply the third trick now. For a 280 GSM fabric, the trick which we have seen earlier is 3000 divided by GSM. 3000 divided by 280 is 10.8. 11th count is the 11th or 12th count is the ideal count to achieve 280 GSM. Since I have mentioned 95 to 100%, we'll get at least a similar idea to get a target GSM. That count identification can be achieved. The 14th, the second example in the ultra wide category is 300 GSM. 3000 divided by the target GSM 300 will get tens count. Tens count is the ideal count to achieve 300 GSM finished. The last and final example, 320 GSM, 3000 divided by 320 will get 9.3 nines count. Nines count is the ideal count. Nines or eights count is the ideal count to achieve the 320 GSM finished. I hope this video is very useful and informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Any doubts or comments, please post it in the comments box. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye from your Money Techs Guru. Bye bye.